Hello, everyone. Welcome on this webinar by Career Guidance Council team on how to search a job. Okay, this is brief about our NGO, non-government organization, Career Guidance Council. We used to conduct this kind of weekly session online, offline, and this is one of the webinar. So the objective here is like we all are looking for jobs, right? One or the other way, and here we will discuss some of the job search tips actually. Although this slide is like specific to some like engineering career actually, like when we say for job opportunity, so what are the way we can search a job? Either through campus recruitment. If some of you are from engineering graduate or MCA doing from some recognized institute, engineering BTech MTech from recognized institute, so you know that in the final year campus recruitment happens, means big company actually come directly to the college and they conduct their interview process and they hire the candidates. So if you are pursuing your engineering or something actually in big colleges where campus come, then this opportunity is a very good thing for you actually, because the good thing about this is company directly come in your college actually. They will conduct aptitude test, technical interview, they will conduct some HR round, they will basically assess you. And if someone is getting opportunity right within the campus, it is like a best thing actually to happen. So if some of you are already like pursuing graduation, basically engineering, so you might be knowing about this. Other thing is actually if we are passed out in any stream, any graduation actually, then what we do actually, first we create our resume, mention all our skill set, what all knowledge we have, subject knowledge, what all degree, what is our qualification, what is our accomplishment, everything basically in 1 or 2 page resume we used to mention. We upload our resume on job portal like Naukri, Indeed.com, Shine.com, Times.com, and then basically we search for the job, we apply for the job. So this is second way actually. From here also we used to get lot of opportunity, fresher, non-fresher also you would see some job opening on the job portal. So you need to be active actually, means you need to be daily searching job. First you need to have a very good resume. I will come to the resume part also actually, I will give you a brief how a resume should be created. Then is actually newspaper is also one of the source, although I would say not much opening would be there in the like newspaper, but still some of the weekly publication of the newspaper like Times of India, Ascent is a weekly publication wherein Times of India covers some of the job opening across India actually, or within specific to your city also, because some city section, some job details in the city section also comes actually. Even government jobs information also come in the newspaper, like Hindu also some publication weekly come, either Monday or Wednesday. Exact I do not know, maybe Deccan Herald also some news publication weekly come. Employment news is also one of the thing you would have heard actually. It is a weekly publication and generally mostly the government job opportunities information get listed in the employment newspaper. So if you are not sure, maybe some of the nearby newspaper agency you can go, and you can even subscribe to your employment news weekly publication actually, and check with them actually when this publication either weekly or monthly get published, and you should get a copy of that basically, enroll at your home. So that is also a good source of job for private sector as well as government sector. And other job opportunities is through the referral means actually, for example, I am working in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and I am working in IT domain. So you can like request me, sir, can you please refer me in this job in TCS? I have found this job opportunity in TCS for so and so position, and my resume is kind of matching with this position. So can you please refer? So I will refer you in my company, provided you have the eligibility criteria matching actually. So the benefit of referral is, means someone from the internal employee referring means it is having more weightage, means I know you, I trust you, that's why I'm referring you. So my company HR, they will screen your resume, and if they found it suitable, then they will call you basically. Okay, but I would say for fresher job opening, even if you upload your resume on Naukri Monster, I will give a like walkthrough of like live walkthrough of all this also, but right now I just want to cover this in the like in this slide. But I will show you, I will open my Naukri like job portal, LinkedIn portal, and other sources also on live actually in this webinar. At the towards the end I will open, I'll share with you actually how to search the job directly in there actually. Okay, so what are the steps actually? We all are searching for a job, right? Build your brand means actually what qualification, whatever stream are you from, commerce, are you from engineering, are you from medical, whatever stream you are having, you should be good, you should be expert in your stream, the relevant certification, the relevant courses. Even if you do some online courses from YouTube or Udemy or any other sources, that also you can mention that I have attended this like 20 hours course, or I have done this certification, I have done this hands-on. So all those things also you can mention. There is no like you don't need to worry about that. So build your brand in the subject, whatever stream you are, you should be like try to keep building expertise on that. That's what it says. Connect with your contacts means, for example, if you're searching for engineering job, you should know some engineers, seniors, right? So if they know some of the openings, they may refer you. So that's why like connect with your contact. Use job search tools, right? Naukri, Indeed, Shine, Times.com, LinkedIn.com. So upload your resume on the job portal. Create a list of company. Also, like you should know a list of company like available in your city. For example, if you are in Hyderabad, you should know, for example, if you are searching for a mechanical job, then you should know what are the mechanical company available in Hyderabad, right? Where those, what is the address of those company, and what kind of like requirement generally come in that company. Because what happened actually, every company used to have their website, and it used to have a section called career. If you go in that section, you will get to know the current available opening in that particular company. So means know the in and out about your city also. You should have a ground knowledge also what all the companies are there. Because what happen actually, sometime fresher, because every company may not put their job on the job portal actually. You may need to directly go and attend the interview of some of the company directly within their premise. I remember actually some of the companies, especially for BPO, they used to like every week or every day they used to conduct the interview at their campus. They invite, they welcome the candidate that come any day from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. like that. They used to mention that, and they invite. If you are having the resume, proper resume, and if it is matching with your eligibility criteria, if you are matching, then you can directly go and attend the interview. Like for example, in Hyderabad, there is a cyber space or cyber tower is there, right? There are like hundreds of companies are there in cyber tower. So I see a lot of like opening on weekend, Saturday used to happen. Means if you go in that kind of area, then you will get to know, okay, something is happening, right? For example, if you go to high tech city, you will see a lot of candidates, some walk in, something is happening. Even if you inquire there about what is happening, what is going on, so you will get some knowledge actually, okay, something is happening. So why not like next week I also go there and attend the interview. So like these are the various sources from your end. You should keep trying. You should not only try that, okay, I will upload my resume and Naukri and someone will call me. It doesn't happen like that. You need to like be very active, try from different angle, and keep persisting and don't be shy actually in reaching out people multiple times. Like for example, if you know my contact number, and if you know something in my company and your qualification is matching, you can always follow up me with me, right? Say hi, salam, and whatever way of greeting, actually just greet that people and then say that could you please refer me in that company. So don't be shy in that. Keep persisting from your end, and have a network of people also. Like for example, you are a engineering pass out, so you would have at least know some hundreds of engineering student, right? So likewise you help each other also. Like if you get to know some opening, you tell your friend. Likewise your friend knows you, he tell you, right? So likewise help each other with that also. Means it will be easier actually than to search a job. So this slide may not be like applicable for all. Generally for engineering, this interview process used to be there, but just I'm covering this actually. Some of the round, right, aptitude test, it may be applicable to you or not, depends actually. Technical interview means if you're engineer, for sure, be like ready for technical interview in the respective programming domain knowledge. They will definitely ask some of the problems. Or if you are from commerce background, if you are from finance background, then this technical interview will be like in your respective domain, finance related questions actually, or whatever domain you are in, you need to be like expert into that and kind of tackle this interview properly. Aptitude test means some generic verbal reasoning round, and mathematics quantity aptitude round, and logical reasoning, some puzzle related question used to come in this aptitude section. HR round means actually this used to be generally at the last round, wherein if you have like completed successfully aptitude technical round, then HR will interact with you, and he or she will try to assess your personality, whether like are you a team player, what is your like aim, what is your dream, what is your attitude, like some kind of question he will ask actually, so as to know more about your personality, what is your interest, what is your long term planning, why you want to join this company. So like this kind of question they will keep asking actually in HR round. Sometime company also used to conduct group discussion, like they will give you some topic and they will ask some 7 to 8 candidates or 10 candidates to sit in a group and basically discuss on that particular topic. Okay, so group discussion also used to happen. But your communication skill, I would say, is important in IT job, in BPO voice process job. So if you are not good in English, don't worry. I would say work on improving the English. That's what I would suggest. If you can join some English communication classes nearby, if you think some good English communication classes are there wherever you are staying, you can consider joining it, because it will give you some environment. You can practice online. Okay, you can listen some of the influential public good English speaking person. You should type, you should write in English, and you should read English newspaper. Basically your exposure to English related things should be more and more. That's how you will improve your communication skill also actually. So these are the common round which happens in the interview. How to search a job, right? This is a question which we are for which we are in this webinar. Even you can search a job in Google also. If you thought, if you type that I'm looking for fresher Java developer job, so you will see that Google will give you a list of website where those Java fresher jobs are listed. So even Google is one of the source, right? There you can search the job. And these are some of the I would say fresher job website, like fresherworld.com, fresherlife.com. In Hyderabad and around area, Andhra area, I see durgajobs.com is also one of the leading job website. Hyderabad walk-in.in. If you are from Hyderabad, this may be applicable maybe for Maharashtra people or other state people also. There would be some specific state level website. I would say search on Google, like top job website in Maharashtra, top website, job website in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Likewise, you can search also. You may get a list. But I would say most prominent in this is Naukri.com. This is India's leading job portal, I would say. Monster.com, I see it has been renamed to foundit.com. So Monster is also one of the very leading. I also got as an experienced person job mostly from Naukri or Monster actually. LinkedIn is also a good source where you can get a job. Sarkarinaukri.com, this is to get about to get information about sarkarinaukri.com. Fresher World, Fresher Live, mostly fresher job you would see in this website. So these job portals, at least I would say that you should have your resume uploaded, and you should actively search your relevant job in these job portals. If not all, at least like Naukri and Fresher World I would suggest, and LinkedIn also you should search a job. If you're looking for government, sarkarinaukri.com also you should search a job. And apart from that, I would say there are multiple, there are like 30 plus website or even more actually, like Indeed. In this, these are some of the like screenshot of about some leading job website, I would say. Naukri, Shine, But Naukri is like you can trust actually. Some of the other job website, I understand it may have some fake job also, means job which is not genuine. It can be there. And how this is like a preview of now Naukri. You need to go there and basically create your profile, whether you are a fresher, whether you are professional. Create a detailed profile actually. This is my profile actually. I'm a .NET developer. Basically, I have put in, see every all the details, what information is my skill set, my mobile, and where I'm searching for a job. So your even actually Naukri or other job portal, you can type some keyword that you are searching for .NET job. How many years? Like 0 years. Means 0 to 1 means fresher also can apply. Search for a job. You can set the job alerts also. Job alerts means you will specify some criteria that hey Naukri, if this in this job with keywords come in Hyderabad for fresher, send me alert. Alert means they will send you some email notification. They will send you message on your mobile. They will even notify you on WhatsApp also. So these alerts are there actually. So utilize this actually. So see, I have just given one example, .NET, Fresher. So that likewise you will keep getting information. Sarkarinaukri.com. This is a screenshot of that sarkarinaukrijob.com. Likewise, if you are, I see mostly people join from Telangana, Hyderabad region. So employment.telangana.government.in. This is also like generally actually opportunities are so many actually, but sometimes what happen actually we are looking for IT jobs, so then we ignore this Sarkari Naukri. See, IT job will be there in government also, right? And you know, right, what are the benefits of government job? So why not to try government job also? Why not to try some Telangana government specific job also, which will be published in their website. This is their website. LinkedIn as most of you would know that it is a professional network. Means all the company HR professional, like my profile is also there on LinkedIn. We know, right, Facebook is a social platform wherein people come, discuss, share whatever they want to do. But LinkedIn means some professional specific thing, some HR you will find here. If you want to find someone working in Infosys, you can go there and search for like Infosys professional, so you will get to know their contact. You can send them like friend invite. If they acknowledge your like request, then you can talk to those actually. You can connect with HR. So means what is the benefit of following HR means if they publish some job relevant in their company, so you will get to know if you are following those HR. So that is the benefit actually. As I mentioned, in your in your current city also you should know a list of company which is there in the domain what you are looking. For example, I have given example of mechanical company in Hyderabad for fresher. So I will get to know okay what all company available in Hyderabad for mechanical region, so that I will even try to visit that company personally on weekend, or some days also I can visit, right? And these are the news publication. As I mentioned, Ascent is a uh, Times of India publication. I remember it is like Monday or Wednesday they used to publish some job opening in your city or across India. Hyderabad, the Hindu, there is the opportunities column also come actually. So weekly publication of newspaper was also one of the source. Job referral I already told you, right? You need to reach someone who is in particular company like Infosys and ask him to refer you in his company actually. And there is a benefit actually, like if I refer you in my company, for example TCS, and if you get selected, then my company will give me some referral bonus also. So if your profile is good, if you I see if you have good potential, your eligibility is matching, you are serious about the interview, then for sure I will refer you in my company. Because if you are getting selected, I will also get some referral bonus if you get selected. This is gate related, maybe I won't cover this actually. Gate, like if you are from engineering background, generally we suggest that you clear qualify gate, because after gate also multiple higher education opportunity or job opportunity come. Like this government company hire engineer only those who are gate qualified. So why don't you like open this option also for you, right? So that you qualify GATE and then you are eligible to apply for these many top Navratna company in India. Okay. So I will just stop this here, and I will go to like Naukri or LinkedIn, this portal I have opened. So this is my profile. My name is Shoaib, and likewise you should also have a resume basically with you. I'm having 17 years of experience. I was an architect, and this is my resume headlines. Resume headline means actually some of the keywords through which you want to let the recruiter know and your skill set. See, these are the technology which I know actually. Likewise, why I'm telling all this to you, because you need to in detail complete your complete profile in job portal. This is one of the like Naukri. See, I have given my LinkedIn URL link, what all certification I have completed. These are my certification. I have mentioned that my career profile, everything basically about myself, so that if someone because what happened actually, how you describe here yourself, that I'm into .NET, right? So that's why I've written .NET specific technologies, and this is my sample resume. Resume can differ from person to person. I'm not telling actually that your resume also should be like this, but the basic point what I wanted to convey is, since I am having more years of experience, maybe at fresher you may not have those many technology. So your resume, even if it is reaching one page, it is fine. But your name, how you want to like describe yourself, like this is my expertise. That's why I have mentioned this. This is my email ID. This is my phone number. This is my LinkedIn profile. So at the top about myself, I've mentioned this is like some of my professional summary. Professional summary means what are the key points. See, in 17 years I have would have worked in multiple projects, but how I want to like present myself to HR, to company HR, right? So here I have written some of the key points. So likewise you also would write some 4 or 5 key points about yourself, that BTech pass out in so and so in like engineering with this aggregate. If your percentage was good, you are a college topper, you are having this skill set, you are like completed these sample hands-on project, completed this, having a good fundamental knowledge on this in this subject. Some of the key subject of your related domain also, like you can mention. If you are from finance, you have done some tally or some finance golden rule, means whatever relevant, the key thing should be mentioned in the first paragraph, so that whenever whoever is reading your resume, okay, he get to know, okay, he is this person, these are his contact detail, and this is like a short summary about his education background basically, or professional background, if you are experienced also. Likewise for like technical people, we need to mention what all programming language we know, what is the framework, what is the database I know, cloud technology I know. So this is my thing actually, since I am having more experience, that's why this is bigger. But for sure you don't need to copy like this exactly. Maybe even if you write some couple of important bullet point which describe yourself, it is more than enough actually. And your accomplishment, if you want to write something, you can write in accomplishment column. This is my employment history, means these are the company in the past I have worked. And I would have worked on multiple projects, but I have written some top 4 or 5 project basically which I have worked. What was the project title, what is the description of the project, and what technology I have used in that project. So basically what happened, whatever the keywords, skill summary you mention on the resume and you upload on Naukri like this here, based on that you will get some job recommended. See, these are some of the job recommendation. If I select, so these are the job recommendation. Naukri is telling me that engineering manager, these job, that job. So it will keep recommending me. If you are telling about fresher Java, fresher Python, or finance, recently passed out, BSc, BCom, or BA graduates, or even teacher, your teacher actually. So likewise, your recommendation will be keep coming to you. Even you can search for a job also, right? For example, looking for Java fresher, select experience, fresher, for example. Interlocation means Hyderabad, or if you are fine with any location in India, you can type this. So the walk-in opportunity, this is in Chennai. This walk-in is happening in Chennai. They are telling 2 to 4 lakhs. So see, you should like know this. You should expand this. What this they are telling, actually this walk-in in Chennai is happening. So see, even if you are fresher, for example, you are from Bangalore, so Bangalore to Chennai is just 2 to 3 hours distance, right? So you can plan to go there in one city by train, by bus, right? It is not an harm actually, right, going there and attending the interview. So likewise, at a fresher level, you should be flexible basically. Even you can tell that send me job like this, means send, I want to have more job like this, so click on this, save, I'm interested. Likewise, you should read the job description also, what thing they are asking. Actually, they are asking tech stack Java or Python, and they are asking strong logical reasoning and analytical thinking. And who are eligible, these people they are telling is eligible. And even actually what happened, actually you can copy all this job description. And this job description, let me copy. Sorry, I'm let me copy from here. So these are like some of the tips I'm telling you. Maybe you may be knowing this, but it might be helpful for you. And you can even open chat gpt, open chat gpt, and you can tell that I am going to attend this interview. This is the job description. Please help me with relevant question that can be asked in this interview. I have just pasted those complete job description. Okay. That's great actually. That ChatGPT is giving me that what kind of round can be expected. Aptitude reasoning. It is telling that this is one of the sample of aptitude. And since the job were related to Java, it is telling that these are the some of the question can be asked. Oops, concept object oriented programming can be asked. Hands-on example programming question, like write a program to check if a string is parallel palindrome. Find the largest number in technical interview. Oops, concept. So it is giving me complete thing. And if I even you give me answer for above, then even it will give me answer for above. Why I'm telling with this all with you is actually because this AI tool like Chat GPT, this is like very good actually in order to prepare for the interview. See, oops, what is oops, encapsulation, abstraction. Even you can ask anything to it. You can even tell that give me detailed example of oop, object oriented programming with example. I want detailed explanation. Means whatever the prompt you will keep giving, it will keep answering. See some of the like sample program of Python. Even you can ask it how to run this program. Tell me actually. If you are getting write a SQL query, you're telling that this kind of question also you can be expected. So I'm not telling that it is very like easy way that you will ask something and interview question also may be relevant for you. But what I'm trying to convey you is these kind of thing, before going to the interview, reading the job description is very important actually. Means if you are not refreshing this concept and suddenly interviewer is asking about abstraction, so maybe that definition may not come on your tongue directly, right? So that is, see, if we are not prepared, that's why the confidence that doesn't come, right? But if you are prepared, confidence come automatically, right? So that is what is expected. Even it is telling me that tell me about yourself, how you tell that I'm name recent graduate in this college, I have a strong foundation in programming. Even some of the script it is giving you. I'm not telling you to copy this exactly, but at least like some idea you would be getting from here. See, I have just recently I was just trying to attend one of the solution architect interview. So see, I also used to like connect with ChatGPT and keep asking questions actually, that what is this, what deep dive, give me example. So means you can learn this, you can basically read some of the questions so that things will come on the tongue, on your tongue automatically actually, like this. Means search for the job, search for multiple job, daily actually keep the routine actually, so that you are even like, give me for example, I will appear for aptitude test. Give me sample aptitude test questions, questions with detailed answer and explanation. Means it is up to you, the way you ask and the way it will respond you. Some sample aptitude test it is keep giving me. You can even ask that I'm looking for question for this section, I'm looking for question for this section. And even you can tell that this, like for example my resume. Okay, for example I will tell that this is my project. For example, this is my project I have written. Okay, this is my project I have mentioned in my resume. What kinds of questions can be asked on this project? For sorry, I need to type also. I have typed my project details. Based on your project, actually, whatever I've mentioned, then it is telling that how the was telemetry data ingestion and process, because this is related to my project. What is expected? Even actually, what happened? You can even ask Chat GPT to become as an interviewer and ask the question on particular JD. It will keep asking you question, and whatever answer you reply, it will keep giving you, for example, recommendation also. Means here you need to improvise, here you need to do this, here you need to do that. So see, even for example, this JD which I have copied, let me copy this. I will tag GPT, you take my interview based on this JD. Ask me question and wait for my answer, and at the end give me detailed feedback on how I can improve on it. Okay, this I have just tell to ChatGPT. Okay, then it is asking me, tell me a bit about yourself and explain it with coding, particularly in Java and Python. So see, it is asking me, I will tell that I am a recent graduate from ABC college. I secured 70% aggregate. I know Java. I have done hands-on project also on Java. I am very strong in Java fundamentals. Means you write your complete answer, but I am just telling you in detail. Uh, that sound great. Can you give me? But it is telling, it is giving me feedback. See, the project briefly. It is giving me first describe the project with technical aspect. Can you give me sample answer? I'm asking it actually. Can you give me some sample answer? Then it is giving me, okay, I use Java string. So this is like basically kind of uh, example, but likewise for your project, your domain, you can keep applying and you can get to know that how simple it is actually to search a job and recommended job. Keep asking actually. Even you can search for the company also in Naukri. Like for example, you are searching for say here it is giving me the list of IT company actually. Based on your resume, it will keep giving you recommendation. For example, I tell that I'm looking for TCS job actually. Basically TCS, what are the jobs available in TCS? Give me. So these jobs, see, basically are available in TCS. Even you can put the criteria left side, right? Whether you are looking for work from home, remote, hybrid, which kind of job you are looking. Based on the filter criteria you specify. So at your level, actually, don't expect that I will create the profile, I will upload it. See, in Naukri or any job portal, basically, it will give profile last updated. See, 30 April only I updated my profile. So you should update your profile regularly. Means even if you don't have, for example, any changes, just open your profile and basically save it, so that at least, see, profile last updated today. Means this is especially helpful for experienced person. I'm updating my profile in Naukri today, means I am interested for job, right? That's why. And if some job recommendation Naukri, some notification want to send me, it will send there's no notification those the people who are most active on the portal or LinkedIn, right? So that's why profile updated date, this also really matters actually. Even I would say that you search some for example, Infosys HR. HR means that person actually who hire for Infosys actually. Let me what I wanted to tell you here is actually that, for example, if I search for Infosys company here, let me go to the Naukri homepage. Means actually what I wanted to convey you is actually there are a lot of search feature capabilities are there. If you are actively searching for a job, why not to spend time actually, and daily you may not, you may be getting some like one or the other thing. Okay, this way also I can search, this way also I can search. See, these are the recommended job. You need to go for each and every job. For example, this job I would need to say apply, because what happen actually, once you say apply, then Naukri will send your uploaded resume to this company. Actually, you have successfully applied for this job, because unless you apply for a job, Naukri won't send your profile to that other company. So generally this is also one of the mistake the candidates do. They think okay, they think actually that I have created a profile, then okay, it is done. It is not my job later to find a job or apply job, because unless you apply job, then I'm telling here, send me more job like this. So see, this alert has been set up, and this is my email ID, and basically all the alerts, whatever there, I have set the alert that whenever the job with this keywords will come, please send me alert. Okay. Even so, this is like I would say is a very very big an ocean actually, Naukri. Even one thing I wanted to tell you is actually that you can follow HR also, which I mentioned in the presentation also, but that thing I am trying to figure it out. But maybe uh, let me just one more time, let me try this out. It is giving me Infosys job. Okay, let me read this job description. It is telling, see, you can follow a company also, means whenever Infosys will publish something, just follow it, that company. Okay, read more about the company, and you will get to know who is the HR of that company also. That's what I wanted to tell you actually. Naukri, I see it has become very advanced actually. Even it will keep telling you a lot of things. But maybe here I'm not getting that. But Naukri, I would say till this, I wanted to tell you. Second thing I would tell about this LinkedIn. LinkedIn also, you should have your profile basically. This is my LinkedIn profile. Again, here your education, job qualification, your skill set, everything should be there actually. This is my employment history, this is my education like profile, these are the company I work, this is my project, everything should be there. And even LinkedIn has this job, this section, right? Based on my profile, LinkedIn is telling that these are the job. So if I'm interested for the job, I will click on this, I will apply for this job, right? So unless I apply, then only my resume LinkedIn will send to that particular company. It is asking me to upload the resume. Next, it is asking me some questions actually. Let me just answer that. And it is telling this is submit application. So see, at fresher, I understand you may apply for the job and sometime you may not get the response also. But there is no other way, I would say. You would need to keep searching for a job, keep like searching for the walk-in happening in the Naukri, Fresher World, Fresher Life, or LinkedIn. You would need to try from your side. Maybe if you are applying for say 30 job, maybe one job you may get some positive response or something. Because fresher means it is our duty to keep knowing okay where the thing is happening. Okay, like for example, if I type here Infosys in LinkedIn, I'm typing actually. Let me go to home. Here search like Infosys HR. Means here you can find some of the people, professional people. See this Asha, like she's the HR in Infosys. These are the HR, and you can basically connect or send the message to those HR that I want to connect. Even you can click that HR, and basically you can follow that HR. Means whenever that HR he or she will publish some job opening in LinkedIn, you will keep getting notification. So more people like are, for example, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, SCL, keep following those company, keep following those HR, so that see based on whatever the thing you are getting the notification here, you will keep getting. So utilize, I would say, this thing also. Like see, this is like talent acquisition. Talent acquisition also means actually the HR person actually. Whenever some opening in the company where this lady is working, she will post. So you will get to know about those companies. So like fresher, IT job, or whatever job you are relevant, keep following those people. This is, I would say, this is how the network you will build with others. And you can even follow some of the publication, like if you are Java developer, if you will search for Java in like in LinkedIn, you'll keep getting some Java related job. You will keep getting some of the people who are posting job related to Java. See these people actually, who are Java people actually, you can connect with these people. So that, because see you need to like increase your like-minded groups, right? So this is how I would say, connect with people, connect with companies, save the job, follow the company. That is how like we should do. One more thing, for example, if you are searching for TCS job, so TCS website you should go, Tata Consultancy Services, IT job. Likewise, any other company, your relevant company, you will go. And every company, see this section will be there, career. Want to be a change maker, join our team. It is telling where you are searching for a job. I am telling India. Means whatever the job openings are there in TCS website, they will publish it on, see entry level and internship detail also they are telling. So you would need to go and explore those things. Lateral hiring is experience hiring, for example. But I would say generally in this company, fresher opening or walk-in detail may be there. I understand fresher opening may not be that much actually compared to uh, like uh, compared to experienced people, but still, like you should go to website. And basically I'm just trying to go to the website. Let me go there. I see there are some questions also. Can a commerce I will, maybe I will ask this, answer this question at the end. But what I wanted to tell you, actually go to this career section, join us. See, I have clicked on that. Apply now. Apply now means some of the opening which is there in TCS. Oh, it is telling you don't have access. Maybe before that I need to It is telling where you are searching for a job. Visit career page, it is telling. Okay, I'm going there. And shape the future of technology. Entry level internship, I'm clicking on explore. For science graduate, see, for science graduate, it is telling there are opportunities. For science graduate, registration, and see, they are telling you actually some test will be conducted 11th May on Sunday. And what is the detail about that test? This is the detail about that test. They have given complete details about that. And what is the registration process? Aadhaar card, you need to go into this portal, register, important, like all details are mentioned here. Register now if you are interested into that. It is telling too many user logged in currently, but I hope you would be getting actually that you need to go company website. Likewise, I see HCL is also one of the company actually. HCL fresher job, fresher website. Let me go to that HCL Technologies. I saw that there was some like this campus hiring and recruitment. Push your boundary, find your spark. Excellent job opportunities. So my only thing which I wanted to convey you is actually go there in the company website, explore career section. You may find something relevant information actually. Lot of time we don't go and explore job opportunity right here. Lot of time we don't go there, and that's why we don't get to know some of the opening. Like if you are a fresher, engineering fresher, TCS also conduct this NQT test, National Qualifier Test. So see this test information 7 June it will happen. Explore now, view past result. Even you can ask ChatGPT also. I am appearing for TCS NQT test. Give me some sample question. How to prepare for that? What are the so like e-litmus test, MCAT test. So many things are there actually. Like we have checked like fresherworld.com. This is also one of the website we have told right for fresher job opening. Here also the same process. You need to register in this the way we have seen in Naukri, right? You need to create your detailed profile, updated profile, and basically search for the job in Fresher World or any other website. I am right now on Fresher jobs, IT, so many sector it is telling. For example, I tell that I'm looking for MBA jobs, Master of Business Administration. So it is telling me, okay, in Pune, this walk-in is going on, human resources. These are all mostly fresher job, right? You will go and click on this job, read the job description. And one more trick actually, whatever the job description is there, mostly the question will be asked accordingly. So you read this job description, what kind of skill set you are written. Another set of question will be whatever you write in your resume, your summary, your like whatever the language you have written that I know this skill set, this is my project detail. So prepared well on this. Lot of time the mistake we do is like we think okay I have just written, let me just go there. So if you will go and attend interview without preparation, you won't get anything. For sure you will fail in the interview. So prepare means he will basically ask about this project, what was your role, what you did, how you solved that problem, tell me some hands-on, what program you have written, which technology you have written. So this kind of question basically he may even ask you to write some sample program also. Basically the thing he would like to judge is whether you are really know this, whether you have really have the hands-on knowledge or not, or whether you are just writing it, copy pasting from somewhere. So that's what actually the interviewer try to judge you based on your qualification and whatever. That's why we tell actually what you know confidently, only write that thing in your resume. Okay. So with this, actually, I would say that I will stop my thing. I will come to question and answer. Let me stop the recording also. Thank you very much for being with us. stop recording.